Herona kubol. Muga ka ngo bara ser kumare paranga kyorot. No wata ma kane parana kya karo sio kya kara to achande kira matuka mangwa na kyo ko ta.
Param biya kanya rosi. Inde buena Mario makanya roso ko ta.
Kara matawa tulenga mo karava.
One tole me chande.
Me chande go. Awa. Alafu bana na ke kaunti ko ta kya kara bana ndo chi parents and reta karo su eta go eta. Nga kibana abanta mo ko choranga kiba koreka. Actually, he's saying that we are very much happy and we are pleased. We are happy the way they are doing their job. But now we are heading the election, as I said earlier, because that's why maybe someone is saying that I will not be chosen next year. It is a bound election which is going to be moto here from the village. And you can see people are just struggling here. Actually, it is going to be amazing here. Hello, what's up guys? This is from the village here. We are live now. Thank you so much for coming to watch us again and again. There you can see a wheelbarrow. There's a wheelbarrow there. Actually, we have come here. You can see some steps here. Some steps here. You can see Mama is going to get some water from down there. You can imagine how the village looks here. It's very much amazing. A little live trees, nature. Everything is real green here. Those ones who are outside there, and you can see the clouds here. We were imagining it was going to rain today, but then this is how it is here at the village. So we go, and there, as you can see, going to the other side is going to town, but here at this tip here, this is where we get fresh drinking water from. Let's go and see where the water is. See how the steps are. This is how the village looks. There is someone's house there near the river. You can put some posh at the table and then collect some drinking water from the well here. There it is. You can see where we are getting the water from. And there are some kids who are coming over to get the water here as usual. In the evening, this is our routine here, getting the water from the well here. I don't know how we call it. Is it a well or what? Leave some comments down there if this is how you do at your village where you are staying, or anywhere, because here at the village we don't have tap water. You can see how it is. Here we are again. You can see how the village management is going on here, as you can see, and people, we are very much amazed. We are not going to be starving here with the roads here at the village. You can see and imagine it's around time now because the erection is here. So that's why you can see the tractor is going on with the work here. I think the county now is going to be a flexible county, and the people are going to get amazed with the kind of job which is going on at the village here, and we are very much happy, very much amazed here. Actually, we are going to have a flexible road. Nothing is going to stuck us now as if, and here at the village you may know some of the problems that we get here is like when it rains, the cars, the motorbikes are being stuck at the roads here. That's why they have come to manage, they have come just to dig and crush all of the stacking things here. You can imagine how it is, and the tractor is going on, as you can see. This is it. It is the I'm talking live from the village here. You can see this is very much amazed. We are blessed today, and we are very much happy. As you see, it's around time, and here you know the villages, how the rain comes here and there. That is it. Hello, what's up guys? This is how the village looks here, and I'm talking live from the village here. As you can see, I have come to collect some water from here. This is the place where we take some water for drinking. As you can see from other videos, maybe other people do have some tap water, but here it is very scarce here. Other those people who are at town, they are the ones who have like the tap water here. Just leave some comments here if this is how your village looks, and this is where we get some water from. As you can see from these two taps here, these local taps here, as you can see.
Make a taps called. Make a taps called. The speed.
Takio kuongea sasa, hiyo si video.
Okay.
Hello, here we are again. Here you can see there are some kids here who have come to collect some water also. Hello Junior, how are you? Unaendeleaje? Nani amekutuma maji? You can see the jerrycans, they have small jerrycans, and the others there, even the other small kids here come to collect water. At least they come to help their parents here. As you can see from the village here, kids are not also left behind to come and collect some water from here. Mamako yuko wapi? Anafanya nini na wewe unakuja mtoni? Umekuja kumchukulia maji afu aoshe manguo? Actually, they are very much happy because also here at the village, you can see it is overtime. They are from school, and here they have come to collect some water here, as you can see. Actually, this is Grace here from our village here, and I'm talking live. Actually, there's some comment down there. If you are new here, just consider subscribing. If you ever come across the channel again here, consider subscribing, and that's a better way of supporting me here from the village. And here I'm going to collect some water here today. Actually, you have to rinse the jerrycan first. You have to rinse the jerrycan, and then we get the water. This one is full. I have to get it up. Here we are again. This is where we put the water first, and then we shall carry it up there, and then I will carry it with the wheelbarrow, as you can see here. This is it here from the village, as you see. Ooh. Actually, as I said, that this is how where we store the water, and then we shall take it there. We shall power it with the wheelbarrow here. You can see. Actually, almost I had forgotten my handbag here for carrying my camera, as you can see here. Here in the village, we are very much busy from the morning, but in the evening, we come and collect some water from here. All this, I don't know whether it is a river. Leave some comments down there for a sweet girl if this is how you do at your village carrying water here from the village. Hello. Now at least people have like almost time for the people to come and collect the water from here. This is how we put on our head. Actually, this is my sister-in-law. She came to collect what I found her. I found her on the way. That's why I had come to help her to collect the water from here, as you can see. It is very steep. It is very steep here. If you have never come to the village, this is how it looks. This is how you will even be stuck at those steep areas when it has rained. It is very delicate. It's very complicated as you come to pick some water from here. When it is raining, we don't come to the river. Actually, we do water catchments. Actually, this is how we are carrying the water here. It is very comfortable. I don't want even to carry one because you can see as if carrying one is like a burden. That's why I usually carry 3. You can see even the road here. They have renovated the road now. I can run even free to the other side of the road. Mama, hebu angalisha kamera kule. Huko kwa ile road huko. Kwa road huko. You can see how the road is being renovated here. Actually, from the start of the video, the tractor was here, so you can see it is they have dug like it was very disgusting there before, but now we are very much happy. And the mama there was behind me. As you can see, she also knows how to sukuma mkokoteni or a wheelbarrow. That is it. You can see it is very, this is how the village looks here, very roughly here. The children are also driving their cars, as you can see. You see, people are so much happy. You can see even the children. Wow. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like. I think I'm gonna finish it here by saying bye bye, Jojo, bye. Danke, kumakan. Actually, these children, they were riding their small riders at this house, so that's why you can see how it is. If you are a kid, you leave some comments if you did this at your village. Hello.
Yes.
They are out of school now. When are you closing your school? Which day? On a Friday. Mnafunga on Friday. Actually, they are saying that they are going to close on Friday, so they are waiting. How many weeks are you going to be outside? 1 week. 1 week, and that will be. You will open on the 3rd of January. Okay, say hello and bye. Hope you enjoy the day and have a lovely weekend. Say hello to your mom. Thanks, hello, bye. Say bye.